Hello friends, in this video, we intend to go through the steps of opening an account with the Binarium broker through the TradingFinder website. Together, we will enter the review related to binary brokers. We carefully select the Binarium broker and click on the Go to Website option. We enter the page related to the Binarium site and click on the Sign Up option. And in this section, we complete the items related to opening an account. We enter the email that we did not have before opening an account on the Binarium site. And we choose a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. We select the type of account you want. And for this option that states you have accepted all the terms and conditions related to the Binarium broker, we click. And in the final step, we click on Open Free Account. In this section, a page will open for you where you need to enter your first name, last name, and phone number. And then you click on the Start Trading option. Your account has been successfully opened. We click on the Cross option and enter the trading cabin at the Binarium broker. An email has been sent to your registered email address from the broker for the IU confirmation of your registration. We open the email and click on Confirm Registration. We click on the Trading option. In this section, by clicking on the Profile option and User Profile, you check whether your email has been verified or not, and we click on the Link option. And in this section, your email will be accepted. By clicking the Trading option, we return to the trading cabin. In the next videos, we will go step by step through the process of identity verification, deposits, and withdrawals at this broker. Stay safe and profitable.